Hello again. If you're watching the third video in a row, you might be sick of looking at me. No. Okay, so I am going to talk about problems and solutions guide homework again. So you're going to get it assigned. I'm doing it like in bulk. So like I did the first half of Unit 1, the second half of Unit 1. We're doing 2.01 to I think it was like 2.05 for Unit 2. So it just depends on how I'm bulking it. Maybe it'll be by like week or by like, you know, the first half of the unit and the second half of the unit. So it will all be, it should be on your calendar too, but when you go to your class content here, and it's been rolling all day, so we'll see if it goes, how quick it goes here. Maybe. I'll pause it and I'll come back. Oh, there goes, good. Okay, so class content here. If you need to find, like, how to put it on your, I don't know, what are they called? Not your Nook, but your other reading thing. You can go into course materials, and then right here, chemistry problems and solutions. Right here is the book. There's the HTML version of the book and the key. Here, Kindle, that's what I was after. Here's how to download it. So you can get all that information just from course materials and problems and solutions. And let's go back. I will show you where they're located. And again, while we're waiting, what you do is you look at the link, and I have a table, and I have the lesson, the problem set that it correlates with, and then the questions that you're going to do. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1 and 5, or whatever. In the other video, I showed you you can type it right. You could save that Google Doc as a Word doc and type it all in there and submit that. You could write it all on a piece of paper, scan that in, and submit that. The actual problems and solutions online guide, there's a way that you can type and then you could save that, and I think it saves as a PDF and you could submit that. So whatever way works for you, it's perfectly fine. They're all going to be worth participation points because you have the answer key. I showed you there, and then it also is in each lesson. You have the answer key. So I don't grade them. It's practice, and you submit it, and then you'll get your 10 points as long as you completed them all. So for Unit 1 here, if you scroll through, well, here was problems and solutions homework 1.12 to 1.15. Up here, I think I stuck it in here. I did a little different up there on week 2. But I'll try to just make it a separate one every single time. So it was right there, problems and solutions. So here for Unit 2, let me go down here. So we're in 2.01 to 2.11. So it's right here, problems and solutions, homework 2.01 to 2.05. So when you click on that, this is your Dropbox that you'll submit it to. Here's your homework. So this is what it looks like. It's going to look like that every time I just copy it and adjust the table. So here's your problem set, and then that's the lesson it correlates with, and those are the questions to complete. So this won't be due until we're done with all 5 of those. So I don't know next week where that's going to put us, so I don't have a due date for this yet, but you can just wait and you'll just submit them all at once if that's easier. That's usually what we do. So any questions on this? Let me know, and again, 10 points completion for each of them. That's all I got. Have a great weekend.